Hello guys, welcome to Infotech Solutions. Many candidates completed their training in manual testing and automation testing, but they do not know how to implement the things in real world. So this video will focus on this issue. So let's get started right away. First of all, let's talk about introduction. Welcome to the world of live projects. In this presentation, we will explore how live projects can boost your job prospects. We will discuss the benefits of working on real-time projects and how they can help you develop essential skills required in the industry. So basically, step into the real meaning of real-world projects. In this presentation, we will delve into the ways live projects can enhance your career opportunities. We will explore the advantages of hands-on experience with actual projects and how this practical exposure can nurture the critical skills demanded by the industry. Now, what are live projects? Live projects are real-time projects that give you hands-on experience in your field of study. They are an excellent way to apply your theoretical knowledge to practical situations. Life projects can be undertaken individually or as a team and help you gain valuable experience in your chosen field. In simple words, you can say life projects represent real time initiatives that provide you with practical hands on exposure within your area of study or expertise. This serves as an exceptional platform to put your theoretical knowledge into action, allowing you to bridge the gap between classroom learning and real world application. Life projects can be pursued either independently or as part of collaborative team effort, offering invaluable experiential learning opportunities in your chosen field. Now, benefit of life projects. Life projects provides exposure to real world scenarios, helping you develop essential skills such as problem solving, teamwork, and communication. They also provide an opportunity to build a portfolio of work that can be showcased to potential employers. Life projects can also help you establish industry contacts, which can be valuable when looking for a job opportunity. In simple words, we can say this about participation in life projects exposes you to real world situations, fostering the cultivation of crucial abilities like problem solving, collaboration, and effective communication. Furthermore, it offers a chance to construct a portfolio of accomplishments that can be presented to prospective employers. Life projects also facilitate the establishment of industry connections, a valuable resource when seeking career opportunities. Now, types of life projects. Life projects can be various types, including e-commerce projects, healthcare projects, and e-learning projects. Each of these life project categories represents a specific domain with its own unique challenges and requirements. Participants in these projects gain practical experience in their chosen field and contribute to the advancement of technologies and solutions that have a real world impact. These projects often involve teamwork, problem solving, and the application of domain specific knowledge, making them valuable learning experiences for individuals pursuing careers in e commerce, healthcare, or e learning industries. Now, skill developed through life projects. Life projects help develop a range of skills, including project management, time management, problem solving, teamwork, and communication, and many more, you can say. They also help you build technical skills and industry specific knowledge that are essential in your chosen field. In simple words, engaging in life projects nurtures a diverse skill set encompassing project management, effective time management, adapt problem solving, collaborative teamwork, and clear communication. Additionally, these projects facilitate the acquisition of technical proficiencies and industry specific expertise, both of which are vital within your chosen field. Now, this is a major important point like salary of a QA tester. The salary of QA, a quality assurance professional, can vary significantly based on several factors, including location, experience, education, industry, and the specific role within QA. Entry level QA tester with a little to no experience may earn an annual salary in the range of $70,000 to $100,000. In simple words, the income of quality assurance experts can fluctuate, notably influenced by various factors such as geographical location, years of experience, educational background, industry, and the particular role held within the QA domain. Those starting as entry level tester lacking substantial experience can typically expect to earn an annual salary spanning from $70,000 and hundred to $100,000, and it totally depends on company to company. Some company gives you some more benefits as well. Now, the conclusion will be like we hope you gain valuable insights into the benefits of working on real time life projects and how they can help you develop essential skills required in the industry. We trust that you have acquired valuable perspectives regarding the advantages of engaging in real life projects and how these experiences can aid in cultivating the indispensable skills demanded by the industry. Thanks. If you now you have any doubt, you can email us at training@infotech-solutions.com or call us at 800-543-5571 for more information. We will help you to become a certified QA and help you to get placed as well. Our all programs comes with 100% job placement assistance. So we will help you to enter into the IT field. Whether you are comes from non-IT background, whether you comes from IT background, we are going to start from the scratch in which your all the doubts must be clear. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys like this video. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.